Howdy do! Welcome! I want to welcome all of my new subscribers, all of my old subscribers, and all of my ride or die subscribers. Welcome. This video I want to talk about a affordable purse haul. I purchased 3 new handbags over the weekend. I purchased 2 from Burlington and 1 from Meyer. Let's get started with the Meyer handbag. So this is a London Fog Tote. And I spent about, where's the tag? I spent $25 on this handbag on clearance at Michael's. London Fog, a beautiful blush pink. Looks like this. It has a back pocket here, and my phone will fit in there vertically. And it even has some feet on the bottom. And it came with this little twilly on it here. And this is what the inside of it looks like. A brief overview, you guys, of the bag. That's what the inside looked like. And then I purchased, which is a very unusual purchase for me, this big wallet on a wristlet. The wristlet is removable, the wristlet strap. And I purchased this for $14 at Meyer, and it's made by this brand, Monday. And the outside zipper part here exposes this section here. Zip it back up. And then the main compartment opens up like this. It's rather large. There's
ID slots here. And then this flap reveals another 2 ID slots and some card slots here.
There's even a little pocket on it here. I did put my phone, where did I put my phone? On the outside. My phone will fit on this outside zippered pocket that's right here. My phone will fit in there. And then also on the back outside, there's a compartment here for coins or whatever you want to put there. So yeah, it has little 2 snaps here to adjust for thickness. And then there's the outside of it again. So I felt that it was good enough of a match, so I'll work with this. So that is what I picked up from Meyer. How y'all liking the video quality? Because I'm using my new camera. So I'm hoping that you guys can see a difference in the quality of the video. I'm hoping. The daggone thing cost enough, so I hope that you guys can see a difference. Okay, so on to my Burlington haul. I went to Burlington on Saturday and it was so crowded. I had forgot that it's back to school shopping time for everybody. So I stood in line for 22 minutes at that Burlington store. So I picked up this cute little Guess backpack right here in the color pink. It is so cute, you guys. Look at her. Here's the back, other side, here's the front, here's the bottom of it, and then the little Guess question mark charm that's hanging from it right here. And then this metal clamp here is substantial. It's a really nice quality metal that's on here. And then the hardware here is really nice, you guys, on this outside front pocket. Looks like that. And then a quick overview of the inside of it. It looks like this. So yeah, I had to have her, and I spent y'all see that? $43 on this bag. I had to really think about whether or not I wanted to purchase this bag because of the $43, but it was calling my name and I had to purchase this little guest bag. So yeah, I'll be looking forward to carrying this whenever I'm in the mood to. And then I also purchased from Burlington, ta-da! I got me a Juicy Couture Speedy. And this is the color Sandstone. And I went to Burlington to find this style bag, but I really wanted that raspberry or the fuchsia colored one. I don't know if it goes by fuchsia or raspberry color name, but that is the one that I really want. So, but I think it's hard to find. It's like a unicorn find right now. Like, yeah, you would have to go on Mercari or somewhere like that and probably spend more than what the handbag is worth to get that particular color, I think. So this was the only Juicy Couture Speedy that they had in the store. So I went on ahead and purchased Sandstone color Speedy. So yeah, you guys, this is really popular right now on YouTube. Everybody is showing their Juicy Couture Speedy bag. So just a quick little overview. This is what she looked like. You'll see it again later in what's in one of my bag videos. Okay, so I got that. And then while I was there at Burlington, of course, I'm going to go and look and see what kind of cosmetics that they have. And so I purchased this Revlon Mascara. And it's called So Fierce Mascara. Can y'all see that? I like this mascara. I'm wearing it now. Try to give you guys, you can see my eyelashes. I like the way they look. And then while I'm talking about my eyes, what do you guys think of my eyebrows, huh? This is the Eye Method eyebrow stencil. I've been using those stencils every day. I've been practicing. I do think it takes a little bit of practice to get used to using the Eye Method stencil for the eyebrow. So yeah, I like it. In my description box, you guys, there's a link to Eye Method Beauty eyebrow stamp kit, and I do make a small commission off of your purchase of the eyebrow stamp kit. As a matter of fact, they sell other cosmetics as well. One thing in particular that I would like to buy from Eye Method is the eyeliner. I haven't tried that. So as soon as I finish recording this video, I am going to go to imethod.com and purchase the eyeliner. I want to give that a try. And when I do, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, anyway, from Burlington, try this drugstore Revlon brand So Fierce Mascara. And yeah, let me know if you like it. I'm liking it a lot. Okay, and then I want to talk real quick about my thrift store find. You guys, if you're not aware, this is a lower budget to medium budget channel. So I do shop at thrift stores from time to time. That is something that I enjoy doing. I enjoy thrift stores and consignment shops. So at the thrift store, I purchased this, start with this scarf. This scarf or this twilly right here that I want to add to this London Fog Tote that I purchased. So I'm going to replace this twilly or scarf. This is just not my personality. It's a little bit too slender and skinny or whatever for me. I want something that is a little bit more substantial. So if I can do it right, I'm going to attempt to try a pretty little bow on this bag and see how that works for me. So yeah, the scarf. And I spent like $5 from the thrift store on this scarf twilly type of thing. And then last but not least from the thrift store, I purchased this wallet right here. and it's made by Q, if I'm saying that right. This little cute little wallet right here, and I spent $4 on it, and it's a zip around wallet, and it looks like this on the
inside. Y'all see that? So it has a little zipper pocket here on this flap, and you can put coins, receipts, whatever you want inside of here. And then here's your card slots. You can put whatever you want here, and then there's even a pocket there. So y'all see?
So what I was thinking when I saw this wallet, I was thinking of, this looks brand new, by the way. It looks brand new, or if it has been used, it was lightly used. There's no crumbs in here, no ink marks. It looks new to me. It's good enough for me. So I was going to pair this. I am going to pair this wallet with this feed bag here. Y'all see that? I think that's a good enough of a match right there. It's kind of made out of the same cottony, canvasy type of fabric that this is made out of. So yeah, kind of like a casual type of feel going on here. So yeah, so when you're at thrift stores and you're shopping and you're looking for things, think about some of the handbags and things that you already have at home that will match some of your handbags. So yeah, I always look at the handbags and the wallet section when I go to the thrift stores. Okay, you guys, so that is all that I wanted to share with you. You guys, that is all that I have for this haul. Thanks for clicking on this video. I appreciate it. And until next time, everybody, stay safe out there.